Weenie's been following me up and down this hill. Alright, today I'm going to try to get this camper down at the bottom of the hill. Kind of don't like it setting up here. Got my parents decide that they'll get rid of it. So we're going to probably list it for sale for a little bit. Have no clue what we should get out of it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'll walk through it real fast. But my ideal is get this thing out of here, and then we can start loading up the wood and doing the cutting over here so it's not in our driveway on the gravel. As you can see, it's starting to mix in with the gravel. Just went down and got the jack to jack it up. See if my half-ton will unstuck it and pull it down there. We have 2 flat tires. You guys see this side first. It's not in super best shape, but I mean, it looks cool. Definitely has a retro feel with those rounded curves on the top and just the way it looks. Walk down and around this way. For sure that stuff all looks pretty retro back there. I don't know if any of that, like the air conditioner or any of that kind of stuff, works. My dad just set that back in there. So I like the fridge, don't know if it works or not. I'm guessing the stove does. They usually don't go bad. You just hook up some propane. That one goes right here. I don't know what it's doing over there. But yeah, my parents had gotten this thinking they were going to start taking trips to Missouri more often. They got it and they never really ever used it. I mean, they don't have a truck to pull it, first off, so lots of storage space in here. I don't know how to get these doors open. It looks like they got a lock on them. I mean, I haven't really seen too much leaks going on, so I mean, it looks like it's pretty good in that area. Here's the bathroom. But yeah, my parents got this place and actually never ended up using it. It does have a toilet. Only this mirror is broken, that's a reflection. Definitely needs some cleaning up. But yeah, I don't want it setting here, so getting my parents to get rid of this thing. Weenie, he likes this thing setting here because he can come here and he's always out there chasing after bunnies. And the bunnies run under there. we got it on there. I can't get that stuff to move. I don't even know how it's gonna hit, so I'm gonna hit that and see if I can get it to lock down on the ball. See, we'll leave it like that. See if we can pull it out of there. See, it falls off onto the ground. That's how it's gonna be. Let's go ahead and get you guys farther back. See that whole view. What do you guys think? Think I'm gonna get it pulled out of there? We only have a front tire on this side of this air dump and one on the other side. So, stuck in there for a bit. Get pulled out of there pretty easy. Sucks I don't have a cameraman. Go ahead and let you guys see me as I moved on down. I'll go ahead and pop you guys over here. Yeah, it wasn't sunk in there as bad as I thought. Just flat tires. See, that one has a huge hole in it. Well, it looks like those ones are both aired up, actually. They were telling me one was flat. I had my dad and sister air those up. That weenie dog. So yeah, you guys, tell me what you guys think this thing should sell for. If I had some more land, I'd definitely be ripping this thing apart, driving it through shit. I have this car down here. I even thought about putting it on the back of it and, like, you know, on the trunk, log chaining it down, trying to rip through some yards and stuff, and then when I'm done, just take it off to the scrap yard. But I don't really have any land. So I know when I was a kid, me and my cousins, we used to do demo derbies, and we used to also take cars and just tear them apart out in the country, run into them, go down mud roads. We used to hang on the hoods, even pull each other with car hoods, tons of different stuff. But I definitely would do that if I had some land. Planning on just parking it right here in this lot for now. I think I left enough room that I can still get to this main garage bay, and I can still get my dump trailer out of the front bay over here. So I think that's where it's going to set for at least a couple weeks until I decide to scrap it or tear it apart or do something with it. But yeah, like I said, if I had land, I would definitely be tearing up stuff like this hill, but I'd be using this hill ball haul up and down it, but I'm right here by this highway, so I'm kind of worried about having something flip out there, go down the hill and shoot out to the highway. So that kind of makes this hill where it's not a good hill to trash stuff on, but who knows? What do you guys think? Start tearing some of this stuff up that I don't want, like that car. I was even joking with my sister, my dad's truck, that when he's gone, I have to say it quiet because he's over there, I'll go over here. But yeah, when he's gone, I want to take his truck and go roll it or something, park it back, and when he gets home, he's gonna be pissed. My dad's, he gets pretty angry pretty easy, so I think that would be an awesome video to have him all pissed off and angry, and then me coming out and like, who drove it last? All right, I'm gonna leave it here. All right, I was just telling my parents that I should put this camper at the top of the hill sideways, take the tractor and push it over and let it roll down this hill. But again, like you said, we have this road and then we also have this telephone pole. I think that'd be pretty cool to watch it tumble down this hill. Get a few cameras up, one from the side view, one from the top, maybe one at the bottom. I think that'd be pretty cool, but this freaking highway and a telephone pole keeping me from wanting to do it.